In this video, we will discuss why signals and system is so important, especially for ECE student. First, let us understand what is the outcomes of this subject. Meaning, if you go through this course, signals and system, what you will understand, what you will get. You know that it is about interaction between signals and system. If you consider one system and if you wish to apply certain input signal, then you will get one corresponding output signal. So it is all about the signals and system. You will get to know different kind of systems, different kind of signals and their interconnections. For example, if we consider the speech signal, so microphone is one system, one sensors through which we can get the speech signals. If I consider ECG signal, then it's from ECG signal we can remove the noise using digital filter. Digital filter could be considered one system. Radar pulses are generated for radar signals, and there it will go through the media and it will hit the target, it will come back to receiver and we will get echo signal. Similarly, in wireless communication, wireless data is communicated through the wireless channel and then we receive the data. So several kind of signals and system information you will be getting from this signals and system course. Now, all the knowledge we can discuss in two lines. You will get to know how to analyze a signal or how to analyze a system. The meaning is that if one signal is given to you, you can understand whether it is an energy signal or power signal, how much energy it will contain, or it is a periodic signal or aperiodic signal, what is the frequency content of the signal, or if system is given for a particular input, what could be the corresponding output. Everything you will get to know about from this signals and system. So this is called analysis. We can analyze a signal or a system. And counterpart is that if a real world problem is given to you, if it is said that I have certain input signal, I want to get some kind of desired output signal, then how to design a system? So this is a design problem, synthesize problem. Okay, like that. So in ECG, there are certain noises, and that noise we want to remove. So what kind of system we will design? Suppose I want to remove some frequencies, okay, beyond suppose 4 kilohertz noise frequency signal, I want to remove it. So can I design a filter, low pass filter with the cutoff frequency 4 kilohertz? So this is the design problem. So these two kind of information you will be getting from this signals and system, right? Now, next concept is that this signal system is basically a prerequisite for several other courses. Meaning is that to understand other courses, you should have sufficient knowledge on signals and system. Like, if you want to understand digital signal processing DSP, so this knowledge is obviously important. You should have proper knowledge on convolution, sampling, Fourier transform, Z transform, all those things. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand DSP. Similarly, communication system, you should have proper knowledge on modulation, bandwidth, spectral analysis, everything. Control system, similarly to model the systems, we should have proper knowledge on Laplace transform and stability, all those things. Digital communications, their signal system knowledge is required. Image processing, it is nothing but signal processing with two-dimensional signals. Biomedical engineering, their ECG, EEG are considered. Radar signal processing, again echo analysis, target analysis, all those things are there. In machine learning and for signal processing, there we can extract several features of signals and to train the systems. So signal processing concept is useful there as well. Okay. Now, to solve several real world problems, the knowledge of signal systems is useful. Like already I've said that in biomedical engineering, ECG, heart rate monitoring, EEG signals, brain computer interfaces, in communication engineering, mobile communication, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, satellite communications, audio signal processing, speech recognition, speaker recognition, noise cancellation, voice assistant, lots of things you can do it. In radar system, the aircraft detections, weather monitoring, you can do that one. You can also do earthquake monitoring, prediction, everything you can do using signal system concept. Next concept is that GATE exam. This is very useful exam, especially if you want to get, or if you want to pursue some higher study, or if you want to get some job through PSU, public service. Okay, so their GATE exam is must, and in GATE exam, every year we are getting at least 10 to 14 marks questions from signals and system, 10 to 14 marks. Okay, and those questions are solvable. It is not that we can't solve these things. Okay, and not only this, if you have proper knowledge on signals and systems, then you will be also able to solve other problems from these areas like DSP, digital signal processing, communication system, and control system. From communication system, another 10 to 14 marks are coming. In control system, 6 to 8 marks are coming. So those problems also you'll be able to solve it if you have sufficient knowledge on signals and system. So this is very useful course. Now I'll discuss about higher studies and research, what you can do. You can do MTech, MS, or PhD in several areas like signal processing in the broad area, communication engineering, biomedical engineering, artificial intelligence. It's an important area nowadays. Robotics, wireless communication, even machine learning. This knowledge is highly useful. You can pursue PhD or MTech in machine learning. Okay. About my research area, I am currently doing some research on these areas, adaptive signal processing, where I am just considering unknown system identifications for linear time varying systems. I am also doing some research in graph signal processing and machine learning. So I'll be discussing about those areas in futures. So keep watching my channels. I'll be discussing lots of problems and lots of research areas, topics in this channel. So thanks for watching.